Happy New Year, guys. Now, I'm not one to normally get caught up in the whole New Year's resolution thing. However, since I started my channel in mid-2019, and the fact that it is a reselling channel, I do have some plans and some goals for both my reselling business and my YouTube channel. And if you have a few minutes to spare, I'd love to share them with you. Now, this video might seem kind of pointless, but I feel like I need to make it, if nothing else, as a way to just kind of organize my thoughts and my plans and get a clear vision of where I want to go. So first of all, to understand my reselling business goals, a little context and background is probably in order. So I pretty much always had the whole buy-sell trade mentality. Elementary school baseball cards, middle school X-Men cards. When I got into college, I was flipping guitars and musical instruments. I think I started on eBay probably in the early 2000s, and up until about 4 years ago, it was always just kind of a hobby. Some years were definitely better than others, but it was always hobby status. Now, when my wife got pregnant with our son about 4 years ago, I decided to leave a well-paying job with quite a bit of stability. Granted, it was a job I hated, for the simple fact that I didn't want to be away 60 to 70 hours a week. I wanted to be there alongside with her, raising our son, and then later our daughter. So as a means to make ends meet, of course reselling made sense. And that was when I really started upping my game, so to speak. Now, over the course of the last few years, most of my business has kind of shifted away from eBay and more into the Amazon FBA platform, just for the simple fact that I prefer the profit margins and I like the flexibility compared to eBay with the more rigid shipping schedule and the daily listings and everything. That's not to say that eBay is not necessary from time to time. It's just for the bulk of my business, I'm more geared towards Amazon FBA at this point. So all that being said, my main goals for my reselling business this year are to be more consistent. I really want to get out Amazon FBA shipments at least once a week. Now, of course, they won't always be huge shipments, but that doesn't really matter. I just want the consistency of a weekly routine of getting out shipments. I just feel like consistency will probably lead to better sales, and not to mention better video content. Now, my other main reselling goal is to up my local flip game. Honestly, I'm no stranger to flipping things on Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp or even Craigslist. But I feel like if you're able to find stuff that people locally want to buy, the quick cash in hand aspect is really nice. Obviously there's the flakes and there's the constant messages and there's the people that don't read. But I mean, that's going to happen on every platform. So as long as you're buying the right stuff and you're able to kind of weed out the BS messages from the get-go, local flips are a great way to make money. And I want to build that portfolio, so to speak, a little bit this year. Okay, so this brings us to my YouTube channel. This is a newer venture that I'm really enjoying, and it's something I really want to try to build this year. I'm pretty sure I started the channel around July of 2019, and it's been amazing to watch it grow since then. But from the very beginning, I've had a hard time really defining what I want this channel to be. Now, of course, it's a reselling channel, but I always wanted it to be a little bit more than that, and I didn't quite know how to carve that niche or exactly how to describe exactly what I was pushing for. So that led me to spend the last week really putting into words what I want this channel to be and what I think it can become throughout the next year. And at the risk of sounding super douchey, I did write somewhat of a mission statement to try to define exactly what I want this channel to be. So bear with me, here we go. I'm a guy that enjoys spending time with my wife and kids, has a passion for thrifting and reselling, enjoys making YouTube videos, learning about cameras and editing, and constantly seeks out new ways to better myself, diversify my income streams, and help to provide a fulfilling life for my family. Going forward, content could relate to what I do, why I do it, how I do it, or even reviews or demonstrations of tools and technology I use and recommend, all the while being honest and transparent, and hopefully sharing information that is helpful and informative. So what exactly does that mean? It means that, yes, I want to make thrifting videos, but I also might want to make a video about the camera that I'm using. Or recently I've done a bunch of back-end work to kind of make my YouTube workflow a little more efficient. I'd like to share that in a video possibly. And with this definition, I think I can do that. I mean, these are all aspects of, for lack of a better word, my entrepreneurial journey, and so they're things that I would like to share. Simple as that, I guess. And so hopefully there's an audience out there that would enjoy that variety of content. So with all that being said, of course I have goals about growing the channel. My stretch goal for this year would be to build my audience to at least 1,000 subscribers. And honestly, I think I could probably do that. But I do want to go about it a different way than I started the channel. I mean, when you start a YouTube channel, you don't really know how to grow it. And one of the things that people do, which I did, which I somewhat regret doing, is you find Facebook groups that allow YouTube links and you bombard them with your content. And honestly, it's just something that I don't want to do anymore. So my goals are to continue learning about SEO and to try to grow the channel more organically. I'd also like to experiment with some types of videos that honestly make me a little uncomfortable, like vlogging and especially live streams. I feel like live streams are a great way to grow your channel, and it's definitely not in my comfort zone, but I'm going to give it a go in 2020. And obviously I know at first I'll be talking to myself, but hopefully eventually that'll grow to 1, 2, 5, 10, and so on. So, I mean, those are my goals, and that's what you can expect, and hopefully you'll join me for the ride. If you've been here for a while, hopefully you'll stick around, and we'll see where all this goes. Alright guys, that's what I got for you today. Once again, I want to wish you a very happy new year. As always, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.